Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are enjoying all my recipes. Now it's summer time, and in summer we like to eat simple comfort meals. So nothing can be comforting than simple dal. So today let's make moong dal with the addition of mustard greens, sarson. These greens are so nice and tender. I have grown them in my kitchen garden on the windowsill. So the dal comes out very tasty, simple dal. It's cooked with the greens and then we add the tempering finally, tadka. So let's prepare this moong dal and enjoy it. Moong dal with mustard greens or sarson. It's simple, delicious and a soulful side dish. You can make and enjoy with rotis and other accompaniments. For this I have taken 1 cup moong dal, soaked it for a couple of hours. Here we have the fresh and tender mustard greens or Sarson Ka Saag. This is homegrown in my kitchen garden. And here we have 2 green chillies, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. Then we have oil for tempering, 1/8 teaspoon of Asafoetida, quarter teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. First, take a pan and add the soaked dal. This is going to be cooked with the addition of tomato, green chilies, the mustard greens. Add 1 cup of water, little bit of salt and turmeric powder. Give it a stir and allow it to boil. After a little while, you have to remove the froth from the top. To remove it easily, put the flame on high. Then the froth will come up and you can easily remove it with the ladle. Remove it completely. It's easier this way, isn't it? Now once this is done, continue cooking on low flame. You can cover the pan and reduce the flame and let it cook until the water is dried up. Moong dal doesn't take a long time. Just 6 to 7 minutes, it's done. Mash it lightly with the ladle. Let it have a grainy texture. Do not mash it too much. Check the salt and add if it is required. Dal is done now. We are going to add the tempering or tadka. Heat oil in a small pan. Add asafoetida first, followed by cumin seeds. On low flame, let them crackle. When you get a nice aroma and the seeds change the color, you can add the crushed garlic. Stir it and allow it to become light brown in color. At this stage, add the onions, finely chopped onions. If you don't want onions, you can skip them. Now switch off the flame and add the chilli powder and immediately stir it into the prepared dal. It's done. Flavorful, simple dal is ready. Now if you don't have mustard seeds, you can also add methi leaves. those also taste really very good. Or any other greens also, like amaranth greens. You can choose any one available. Enjoy this dal with any side dish of your choice. Here I have served with cabbage stir fry and the green tomatoes that are stuffed with flaxseed podi. These are very delicious. I've already posted this video. You can check out the link in the description box. So friends, make and enjoy this delicious soulful meal. Nothing like a simple meal of dal and some side dishes with rotis. Happy cooking and stay tuned. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.